Today, we're going to explore a highly specialized and lesser-known welding technique that plays a vital role in modern industry: explosive welding. This isn't your typical welding method. Instead, it uses controlled explosions to bond metal plates together in a way that's both fascinating and powerful. Explosive welding is a type of solid-state welding, meaning no external heat source is used to melt the metal. Instead, the process relies on the energy from shock waves produced by an explosion. Originally developed through military experiments and widely adopted after World War II, explosive welding has since become a common technique in various industrial fields. In explosive welding, a carefully measured amount of explosive material is used to generate enough force to press two metal plates together. When the explosion occurs, shock waves push the two metal pieces at an extremely high speed, generating localized heat at the contact points reaching temperatures of several thousand degrees Celsius. This heat softens a thin layer of metal, while the force from the shock waves causes the surfaces to bond tightly, creating a perfect weld. The process happens quickly, but thanks to the combination of pressure and heat, the two metal surfaces form a strong, cohesive bond. It's very similar to forging iron, where softened metal pieces are hammered together to form a solid object. One of the major benefits of explosive welding is that it doesn't require any additional welding materials, meaning the original properties of the metal remain unchanged. Additionally, this process allows for the joining of dissimilar metals, even when they have different melting points, something that's challenging for traditional welding methods. However, explosive welding is not suitable for metals with low melting points, as the high temperatures and pressure can damage or deform them. Moreover, the process generates loud noise and can create air pockets, so it's usually performed in controlled environments, such as on the ground or in sand pits, to minimize the explosion's impact. Thanks to its unique advantages, explosive welding is commonly used for joining large metal plates and cylindrical components, such as those found in marine engineering or in the production of copper cores for critical equipment. While explosive welding offers significant benefits, it remains a dangerous process that should only be handled by experienced professionals. Due to the use of explosives and strict safety requirements, any mistake can result in serious accidents. Explosive welding is a remarkable demonstration of how science and technology can harness the power of explosions, something often associated with destruction, and transform it into a tool for creating strong, durable bonds between metals. What are your thoughts on this unique welding technique? Share your comments and thoughts below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more fascinating technical content.